Number 39. Penicillin is produced in a fermenter by growing the fungus Penicillium. The graph shows how the mass of living Penicillium fungus and the concentration of penicillin changed over time. When is the best time to collect the penicillin? Okay. This question is quite interesting. So when is the best time to collect the penicillin? So looks like the concentration of penicillin is at its highest in day 5, right? So what we want is not Penicillium, but we want penicillin. So we want the highest concentration. So day 5 is correct answer. Okay? So the way that you read this, or interpret this graph is that the mass of living Penicillium fungus is shown with this straight line, or not the straight line, but this normal line. So you read it on the left with the left y-axis, but then dotted one, the dashed line, is showing the concentration, and you read it with the right side, the y-axis on the right side. Anyways, you want to get the highest concentration, so day 5 is the correct answer for this one. Okay?